Hello, my name is Roland, and in this mini series of I think many episodes, I don't know, I will try to craft and personalize and assemble, hopefully, this Harley Benton guitar kit. Some disclaimer before I begin. I never done this before. My craftsmanship skills on instruments is relatively low and very cheap, interesting to do, and also I will try to color it, to paint it, and well, I guess will be interesting. Let's start with the unboxing. And this is how it looks inside. Let's see. Oh, nice. Inside the box there are other boxes. Here we have some instructions, and inside the Matryoshka boxes we can find the hardware, which is actually very interesting. Here inside should be the pickups, the shitty bridge, this and that. Ooh, we have some tools, I can't believe. Wow, this was not expected. Oh, a jack cable, I really needed this, nice. And this is how the wood looks like. There are some residue of working, and inside looks very raw. And thank you, cat, for the noise. Thank you, I really needed that. And yes, I will have to sand all this. The wood looks like two pieces wood, one on top and one here. I have a very good camera so you can see it very well. Yes, here you can see it better. Are two pieces of wood glued, and there is this how could you call it, border, white border. I think it's plastic. I will have to sand this too. Yeah, I can really feel it on the fingers. There is this plastic thingy glued here. Nice. And then and here in the back looks very raw. This is still sand, wood sand from the factory. It has a protective coat on top that I will have to take out. You can see that there is a little bit of color difference between the raw part and the, let's say, worked stuff from the factory. So I could just assemble this and play it, but because I want to complicate my life, I will try to paint it. Also, I saw many other models on the internet that they have 4 holes for the string tensioner and the bridge, the tunematic bridge, or other models that they have a hole here for the tremolo bridge. I chose this one, and I realized after I ordered it that I will have a shitty bridge and I have to take care of it. But first experiment it is, so let it be. The neck is not that bad. It also has the protective coating. It's very smooth, and passing the hand here near the frets, I can't find any piercing metal elements that sometimes you can find in cheap guitars or cheap assembling kits. Don't ask me what kind of wood is this, because I really don't know. I'm not a lumberjack. Ask Luther or something like that. I'm not a professional guy. So again, this is just an experiment, and this is glued. We can see here some glue of the two pieces, and it's a bolt-on neck. There are some guitars with the glued neck and some other with the bolts. This one is with the bolts because I guess also it's easier to assemble and to craft and blah blah blah. I will try to color also the back of the neck, or at least this part for sure. It comes with the holes for the tuner keys, hopefully are straight. And here is the truss rod thingy. And yeah, that's it with the wood unboxing. I will not pass through this metal stuff unboxing. There are two humbuckers, are uncovered humbuckers. I'm actually very interested in humbuckers. I'm gonna show you. Be right back. So these are the pickups, uncovered humbuckers. The connection to the wall hardware, it's through pins. It's like attaching some computer fans, so it should be relatively easy. And Arnaud brand, looks like very simple humbucker thingy. This doesn't say shit. And the other one, ooh, and I guess this is on the neck, and the other one it's on the bridge. I'll have to understand the way they are mounted, but I guess it's more or less like this. As you see now, they're like in the opposite direction, and unfortunately I don't think these pickups are eligible for split coil, which is a function that I want to integrate in this project later on if everything goes well. So more or less this is it for this unboxing. The rest is just normal hardware, whatever normal potentiometers, one for the tone, one for the volume, and the selector. Nothing special, it's just cheap stuff, so nothing major to show. I mean, I will put some aluminum here in order to minimize the noise, the general noise, that's it. So, see ya!